Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to get ready when you just have 2 minutes and you have to rush somewhere. Actually, this is my go-to makeup look during summers. It's so hot. I can't believe it's 41 degrees, 42 degrees out here. Please take care of yourself, drink lots of water, stay hydrated. And if you have to go out, try this makeup look and I know you're going to thank me for this. It's a no foundation look. I just use 6 products and I promise this makeup look will take just 2 to 5 minutes of your time. Alright guys, so now let's get started. So today's makeup look is very simple and it's just a 5 minutes makeup look. So if you just got a couple of minutes to get ready, this is the ideal makeup tutorial for you. So I'm starting off with a primer and then I'm going to apply a BB cream. If wearing makeup dries out your skin and starts damaging it, which it does, I've got 2 great products. Here's the DermaCo 2% niacinamide pore minimizing primer and 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream. The 2% niacinamide pore minimizing primer minimizes pores and fine lines and controls excess oil, reduces acne marks and gives you an even skin tone. It contains niacinamide, vitamin E and SeboClear MP that help nourish your skin and prevent acne. It's fragrance-free and perfect for everyday use. I just dot it all over my face and neck and blend it gently using my fingertips. The 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream evens out skin tone, locks in moisture to keep my skin hydrated, reduces acne marks and spots, and has a lightweight and non-greasy formula. It also contains niacinamide and nourishes your skin while preventing acne. It's perfect for everyday use and will leave your skin looking healthy and glowing. These 2 products are perfect for achieving that perfect look while taking care of your skin. All products by the DermaCo are fragrance-free. By the way, every time you buy from them, DermaCo will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Use my coupon code SUSH2023 to get 20% off, and these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, and I'll mention everything, all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now that we have our primer and BB cream all set, let's apply a concealer. So I'm going to use the Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is an amazing concealer to hide all your dark circles. And I think no matter what, even if I have 2 minutes, I always apply a concealer. I don't leave my house without applying a concealer. Now since the concealer is set, you can use a compact or you can use loose powder to set it. So I am going to use the K-Beauty loose powder. This is in the shade Banana and I'm just going to tap my beauty blender in it and set my concealer very, very lightly. I'm just going to use a little bit and just set it. Next, I always do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil and I'm just going to very lightly fill in the gaps. Just let this look a little bit, casual. It should look like you haven't made any effort. It should look all natural. I'm just going to use 1 more product and we're done. Next, I'm going to use a lip, cheek and eyelid tint and I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Cream and Tint. This is in the shade Berrylicious and it's a very, very pretty color. And I am going to use my fingers for this. Just tap it lightly on my cheeks and blend it. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks and then on my eyelids and on my lips. I just added a little bit more blush on my cheeks. So this is exactly what I do if I have 5 minutes in my hand and I have to rush somewhere. This was a really quick makeup tutorial. I hope you loved it. And if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, comment and like. I just cannot do without my concealer. So mention in the comment section below what is that one product that you cannot do without. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.